今天和我们对话的是数字技术领域的大咖，他是国际数字地球协会的主席亚历山德罗·安诺尼先生。Dear Dr. Annoni, welcome you to come to Nansha, Guangzhou. Is this your first time to come to Nansha, Guangzhou?
Yes, it's my first time in Guangzhou, and I discovered an interesting statement about Guangzhou. It's a metropolitan city that is ready to explode and not a city under transformation. I discovered the culture of these regions, in particular the vocation of Canton or Guangzhou as an international port already since centuries ago, and the beauty of the architectural landscape of Lichi Bay, and moreover the good food, the Cantonian food is excellent. So it's very positive for me. I clearly see that this is a city that has, I would say, a brilliant future.
Okay, you know the vigorous development of Great Bay Area is to boost economy of the region and to promote international collaborations. For this year's Great Bay Area Science Forum, what do you think about scientific communities, especially international organizations, can offer to the forum? What kind of roles that international organizations can play in the construction of the Great Bay Area?
I'm aware about the successful edition of the forum in 2021. That was also helping in promoting international collaboration. I like, in particular for this edition, the motto of bring together wisdom, bring together the world, because it's exactly what we need now. So, you know, the situation in the world is not very simple. And any initiative that is trying to address this motto is very welcome. Here, the word science is part of the name of the forum. So there is a clear, explicit reference to the need to advance science and for the benefit of the entire society. And if this will happen, and the forum will become I would say, the place in which scientists and industry will collaborate together, not only for new business development or for the economic growth, but also supporting any action that is needed to preserve our planet. So what they call a sustainable development of our planet, by the dual use of the technologies. The technology can be used to make money, but can be used also to make our life better and to protect our planet. So if this forum will be able to touch and to ensure this dual role, then we'll be absolutely becoming a leading organization in the world. And our society, as an international society, is clearly interested in contribute to this vision, if this is the vision that will be shared, and sharing our knowledge. We have done quite a lot of research in various fields that could be beneficial for the development of the Great Bay Area.
Okay, your research field is in digital Earth. How do you think digital Earth can contribute to United Nations Sustainable Development Goals? How do you think digital technology can contribute to the development of the Great Bay Area? What do you think the digital economy, digital twins, digital city, or digital everything can benefit to the society and citizens?
Digital Earth is basically a digital replica of our planet in which we can embed all the data, acknowledge that is available, and run some simulation to see which are the impact of our activity or our goals. So how Digital Earth can contribute? We have for example, digital cities. In the digital cities, basically there are some very advanced examples in which you are using all technologies integrated in, for example, for managing the transport in the cities and for optimizing, I would say, the planning of the city. So the city is becoming a digital living entity that you can control, because all the sensors deployed everywhere, the Internet of Things, can be used to decide which is the more appropriate actions in any moment of life of the city. Virtual reality is now becoming very popular in the video game industry, but there is a huge potential to use technologies like gamifications or like extended reality to change the behavior of people. I can make you an example. Imagine, you know that there is a plastic pollution, litter pollution in our sea, and there are interesting pictures. You can see a sea completely covered by plastic and somebody swimming inside, and you are impressed by this. But imagine that you are using virtual reality and you swim in this situation. So you are there. You are not observing by distance, but you are observing like you are in the ground. I can tell you that some of the examples that I saw, people were shocked. So after doing this experience, they completely changed their behavior. And so I strongly believe that digital health is what we call a meta system. Is a way to integrate different digital technologies, digital platforms, to make them interoperable and to address which are the main challenges that we face today. So we believe that our society, having a 360-degree perspective, so we are not looking to a single technology, but to all technology together, then we are quite unique in the sense that we can understand the negative and positive impact of these technologies. And the negative impact is important to, I would say, identify which are the mitigation measures to be considered, to avoid that there is something that went wrong in the system.